Performance air filters are the subject of rumour and debate, and we're going to solve that debate today because we have here an Audi RS6. We're at Performance Logic Scotland, and we're going to do a before and after test with a pipercross air filter. Because this car needs an air filter anyway, thanks to Audi's dreadful service history.
I can tell just looking at it, you haven't bothered to clean it, or to replace it.
See all just the debris in it in general? Look at this, wait, you see this road?
300 miles, my arse.
Look at the cover, the felt cover. The state of that.
God.
They said they changed it, but no they didn't. So pipercross air filter is going to go in after we do a power run. It should be about 550 horsepower because the car's completely stock. Let's find out how much difference it really makes and solve this internet argument once and for all. Air filter swap time. Dead easy actually, I don't need any tools. But you just unscrew the job here. Can you see that? It's basically got to come out there with a bit of persuasion. And it has one paper filter, one nasty leaf coloured felt job, or at least it was until I hoovered all the leaves off. Great. This is even easier than I expected it would be. A no tool filter swap. Put that there. Right. Pipercross filter, oiled filter with a little foamy thing on top, nothing fancy. Stick that in. So on its best run there, the car just did 559 horsepower. And now we'll see if we can find out if this makes any difference. Right, log that back in place. Done. Bonnet closed. Well, there we have it. That is the shortest Mythbusters episode ever. We got 559 and 553 to start, and after the panel filter changed, we got 557. Negligible difference, other than right at the start of the rev range, you can see the line is a little higher. Other than that, absolutely no difference. But the good news is that that pipercross filter was cheaper than what Audi wanted for a new panel filter. So, saved a tenner. But no, if ever there was a car that was going to have a performance gain from a panel filter, it would be a twin turbo V8, and we've just demonstrated that it made no difference. Service your car, change the spark plugs, keep your air filter clean. That's it. Thanks for watching.